Quixotic. Meaning, very idealistic, unrealistic, and impractical, often to an extravagant degree. Synonyms: idealistic, romantic. Visionary. Antonyms: realistic, practical, down-to-earth. Sentence: her quixotic belief that she could single-handedly solve world hunger was met with skepticism. Pernicious. Meaning, having a harmful effect, especially in a gradual or subtle way. Synonyms: harmful, destructive, detrimental. Antonyms: beneficial, helpful, benign. Sentence: the pernicious influence of negative people can undermine one's confidence over time.